In your quiz settings, you'll head to lead generation and choose to connect to an email list. Scroll down a little bit and you'll find Zapier, which you'll then see an API key pop up. You want to copy this and save this for later, and then head over to the Zapier website and choose Make a Zap. You'll search for Interact in the search bar and then choose a trigger event. In this case, it's going to be a new lead that comes through via a quiz, and you'll click on Continue. You'll then choose your Interact account if it's already set up in your Zapier account. If not, you can choose to connect a new one by using that API key that you copied earlier. Next, you'll need to test your trigger to make sure that everything's sending through appropriately. And as we can see, it looks like they were able to find a lead, so we'll click on Continue. For to action, you'll need to search for Flodesk. That's what we're going to be connecting Interact to. And for our action event, you'll choose an event, which you have several options here, but for this tutorial, we'll go ahead and choose Create or Update a Subscriber. This is how you'll add new subscribers to your email list. Select that and then Continue, and you'll then choose your Flodesk account. Once you get all logged in there, you'll select the segment you'd like your leads to flow into, and then you'll just map your email fields, your name fields, and so on to make sure everything is flowing through properly. Then choose Continue, and you can go ahead and send a test action to Flodesk to make sure everything's working properly, or you can choose to skip the test. Then at the bottom, you'll turn your Zap on, and that'll be it for that half of the Zap. Next, you want to go and click on the Zap itself right here. And right in between Interact and Flodesk, you'll click on this plus sign here, and we'll select Filter. For the Choose Field section, we'll grab that drop down, click on Show All Options, and select Tag Quiz Result. For condition, we'll choose text exactly matches, and then you'll start typing in some of the text that your quiz result contains. So for example, one of ours is Bloom, and we'll click on Continue. Now, this is giving us this warning just because we're using sample data here. So if your quiz is turned on, working, and is all set to go, you won't be getting that message. It will be pulling in any of the results that have Bloom in them. So now you'll be able to select a segment in Flodesk specifically for this Bloom quiz result or whichever quiz result you have. You will need to repeat those same steps for all of your quiz results. And if you don't want to have a large multi-step Zap like this, you can also create individual Zaps for each result in your quiz if you'd prefer. So there you go. Now all of your leads that come in will be set up with a particular Flodesk segment based on their Interact quiz result.